Hello, today we are covering thinking in code. This session is about building problem solving skills. We'll not be using any programming language. We will be using some graphical problem solving exercises, which will improve your problem solving skills and especially writing programs or programming skills. So let's start. I am doing online uh, a challenge. Challenge is from brilliant.org and to solve various puzzles which will help us develop programming skills. And there are multiple levels, which is about writing programs, sequencing, repeating, debugging. So there will be a lot of exercises which will help you build looping logic, working with different kinds of loops, recognizing patterns, controlling logic, and various branching strategies. So there will be 500 plus challenges. We'll be solving them all together here. So let's begin with our first level. This level is about how to start writing programs and how to debug faulty programs. And here we will be using loops for patterns which will be repeating. So let's begin by writing programs. So I'm into the level 1, taking the first step and writing programs. So I have clicked on practice and the problem is loading. So you see here there is a gem, there is one gem, and then there is an array. There is an arrow. This arrow I have to make it to reach to the gem. So here what I have to do is I have to make this array, make this arrow move forward and then turn left. So this is what is all about. Move forward and turn left, and that's it. So this will make it. So I will move forward, then turn left, and then move forward again. So this will make this arrow reach the gem. So let's check. Perfect. This is working. So this arrow represents a robot. This is the top view of a robot, head of the robot, and the direction is shown in form of an arrow. So this is first exercise. Second is our robot is here pointing upwards. Gem is on the left side. So I have to turn it first. So it will be turning left, then move forward and move forward twice. So I'm checking this. See this again. The robot reached to the gem and we have completed this second exercise correctly. Now this is a little more tricky problem. So here we have to move forward twice and then turn left and then move forward twice again. So when we do this, you see this execution in real time. So it shows with animation and this is correct again. So perfect. Now I'll move forward. This completes the level and we go to the next level. So I'm going further. So next is, so we finished writing programs and we have to go to sequencing commands and repeating patterns. So let's sequencing patterns, go into this. So here we have this robot again pointing upwards. We'll move forward, then we will make it turn right, then move forward and then collect gem. So these are the 4 steps. I'll check. So yes, you see this is right. Then we have the robot here. So it should move forward and again forward and then finally collect the gem. This is a simple exercise. It can be done by kids as well as whoever is trying to learn, whether he's a small person, kid from age maybe 10 plus, or to even senior citizens. This exercise could be done. So the idea is to make these people master programming skills. So now here there are two gems. So it should first turn and just move forward. It's already pointing in the right direction. So I move forward. Then it should collect the gem. Then it should turn right. Then it should move forward and collect the gem. So you see here, this is the right output. Now here there is a Y button also. We can see that there is an explanation as well why it is correct. So this shows also the explanation in this pop-up. So now we have completed this exercise as well. So we move to the second level. So now I click on continue again. We will be into the, so we finished writing programs. No, we had these exercises. We finished sequencing commands. And then the third thing is repeating patterns. So let's go and do this repeating patterns. Here, this repeats 4 times. So what I have to do is I have to move forward. Then I have to collect the gem. And then I have to further move forward later. And before that, I have to turn the right. So here there are all the options available. And if I repeat this 4 times, I will be able to collect all the gems. So first thing is move forward, then collect gem, then I have to move forward again, and then turn right. And then if I check this, you see the robot is moving and collecting all the gems, and this is successfully completed, and this is correct. So here, this is again the explanation. So we can see the explanation and why this is the right answer is shown. So now next thing is I have this robot on the right side. So it should move forward. Then it should one more time move forward, because there are 2 spaces. First move forward will take to this cell, then to this cell, and then collect gem. And then again move forward, then again move forward, collect gem, and this has to be repeated 3 times to collect all the 3 gems. So let's check this, and this also is correct perfectly. So we have passed this exercise as well. Now I'm into this another exercise. Here we have to go up. So this is in the right direction towards up. The robot is pointing at the up. So it move forward, then here turn left, and then move forward, collect gem. So move forward again, one more time, move forward, then turn towards left, and then move forward and collect gem. So this is how it will work. 2 times move forward, then turn right, and then turn left, and then move forward, and then collect gem. And this has to be repeated multiple times, 3 times, to get all the gems collected. Again, this is right. So I finished this challenge as well. So we have mastered writing programs, sequencing of commands, and also have mastered repeating patterns. So now let's start by debugging programs. So this exercise is about debugging program. We are,
You know how to write loops. Let's practice fixing them. This program has a bug. Fix it to complete all the deliveries.
So this is a kind of a Google map. Here we have an arrow. This is the starting point. Deliver package, deliver package. So deliver package, then move forward, deliver package, move forward, deliver package, move forward. So this is what it shows. Okay, so here we have to move forward first and then deliver package. So that's the fix. And It again shows we have done it in the right way. So this is correct. Thank you.
Here's another buggy loop. This time the truck needs to navigate a square pattern.
So here drive forward, then we have to deliver the package, then we have to again move forward, and then finally turn right, and then move forward, deliver package, move forward. So it has to go through the entire square and deliver the packages in 4 locations. So let me check this.
Yep, nice.
Perfect. So this is also correct.
To debug a loop, picture what happens in the first repetition. This can help you spot the problem and fix it. Does that make sense?
So yeah, this is again a good visual exercise. If you can kind of visualize how your delivery truck is moving, this is represented using the array, using the arrow, and then you can follow the path and see what is wrong and then try to correct it.
All right, try this one. Think about what the truck does on the first pass through the loop.
Perfect. So here we don't have to drive, we have to turn left first. Then we have to drive forward and then deliver package. So if we look into how the truck will deliver one package, and then if we see further, if this is repeated, we will get all the packages delivered. So let's check this.
Yep, that's it.
So this is also right. Perfect.
Okay, one more. The deliveries run along a diagonal this time.
Now here we have to move forward, then we have to turn right, and then move forward again, and then deliver package. Then once we deliver the package, we have to turn left, move forward, turn right, and this way we have to keep delivering the package.
Well done. Not a single miss.
Great. So this is correct.
It's so common to debug programs that it's considered a crucial programming skill. Any questions before we wrap up?
Awesome. This is great. Okay, so this is a nice interface here. This is a kind of a conversational AI. I can ask questions and it will answer. So let me allow can you explain the writing programs, sequencing instructions, and repeating patterns for my easy understanding?
Sure. Let's break it down one idea at a time. Writing programs means giving the truck a list of commands, like truck forward or truck right, so it knows exactly what to do.
Great. Please explain what is repeating patterns.
Repeating patterns means using a loop, like for I in range 4, to run the same set of commands 4 times, instead of writing them out 4 separate times. Want me to explain sequencing instructions too?
Yes, explain the sequencing instructions as well.
Sequencing instructions means the order of commands matters. The buggy and fixed programs use the same commands, just in a different order, and that fixes the bug. Does that all make sense?
Absolutely. So yeah, this is great. This gives a good exercise on debugging Python, and this code is also in Python. So nice way to getting started with Python.
Now, check your understanding with a few quick problems.
Okay, so for this, move forward, then move forward again, then collect gem and turn right. And then this is repeated 3 times. Now this is, we have to move forward first, collect gem, move forward. Then this is repeated 4 times. Okay, this is a little tricky here. There are so many gems, so you have to move forward, then you have to move right, then left. So move forward, then collect gem, then turn right, collect gem, turn left, move forward. So almost 5 times. Move forward, collect gem, move, turn right, and then move forward, then collect gem and turn left. So this is the entire sequence. I fixed it. And this is also correct. So we have completed these lessons. Now let's move on to the next lessons. We completed repeating patterns, we completed debugging programs, and we also completed sequencing commands and writing programs as well. Now looping with logic, this is the next chapter. Let's start.
You can write and debug repeat loops, but they need you to set the number of repetitions up front. Set the number of repetitions to complete all the deliveries.
So we have 3 deliveries here. First is drive forward, deliver package, and so on.
Right.
Great.
A better program would decide when to stop automatically. A good program solves multiple situations without manual configuration. Any questions so far?
Explain me about writing programs.
Here's the big idea. The same while deliveries remain, loop ran on all 3 streets. Canal Saint with 4 packages, Broadway with 3, and Park Avenue with 5, and delivered every one. The loop checks, are there still deliveries before each pass? When the last package is delivered, the answer becomes no, and the loop stops on its own. No manual counting needed. That's what makes it a good program. One piece of code handles different situations without any changes. Does that help, or want to dive deeper into how the loop works?
Dive deeper into how the loop works. So you see,
let's walk through Canal Saint step by step. The program is, while deliveries remain, drive forward, deliver package. Here's what happened. A while loop checks a logical condition to decide whether to repeat. Is the condition deliveries remain true or false in this situation?
The deliveries remain. This is true because there is a delivery which is on the right side.
Exactly. Now try using a while loop. Pick the right condition.
So in the while we check for the conditions, delivery remains here, and until delivery remains, you keep moving forward and deliver package.
Nailed it. A while loop stops repeating when its condition is false. No need to edit it for a different street. Do you see how that works?
Explain the working of while loop.
a while loop checks its condition before each repetition. Here, the condition is deliveries remain. If it's true, the truck drives forward and delivers a package. Then it checks again. What happens once the last package is delivered? Here's a bigger grid with 3 deliveries. Fill in the commands inside the while loop.
So we have to move forward, drive forward, again drive forward 2 times, third time drive forward, deliver package after 3 movement of forward, 1, 2, 3, and then we have to turn right. And we have to repeat this until the delivery remains. So it will stop here at this delivery point.
Well done. Now the deliveries are along a diagonal.
So here we have to move forward, drive forward, then turn right. Then we have to drive forward again. Then deliver the package. Then we have to turn left and drive forward, turn right, drive forward, deliver package, turn left, repeating this until the delivery remains. So even if we had more or a bigger square with multiple grids, this would work. So that's the difference between a for loop and a while loop. What's the difference between the for loop and while loop?
Great question. A while loop repeats as long as a condition stays true, like while deliveries remain here. You don't need to know how many times it'll run ahead of time. A for loop runs a specific number of times, usually stepping through a list, like for each package, deliver it. Does that help? Glad that cleared it up. You used a while loop perfectly here. It kept repeating until every package was delivered. Ready to continue to the next page?
Awesome.
Okay, last problem. A while loop doesn't need a number of repetitions specified ahead of time. Does the same program work for more deliveries in this pattern? Not a single miss. Nicely done. Logic makes it possible for a program to be versatile like this. That's why people say it's the heart of programming. Any questions before we wrap up?
What is Python?
Python is a real programming language. The page shows pseudocode next to Python, so you can see how pseudocode maps to actual code. Does that help?
What is pseudocode?
Pseudocode is plain language steps that describe a program's logic without strict syntax rules. It helps you plan before writing real code. Does that help?
Yes.
Almost done. Let's check your understanding.
So here while loop, and here we have to say gem remain. Until gem remain, move forward, collect gem. While gem remains, move forward again, collect gem. We move forward again, collect gem, move forward. We repeat until gem remains. Here we are facing down, so it will move forward, then we have to turn left. Move forward, turn left. Move forward and collect gem. Then again move forward, then turn left, collect gem, move forward and collect gem. So this is the looping with logic. So while challenge, let's go to while challenge.
You've been building while loops with conditions. Here's a challenge. 8 deliveries surround the truck. Find the repeating pattern and fill in the while loop.
Okay. So here we have to drive forward. Perfect. So let's say we go drive forward. Then we deliver package. We turn right after delivering package. We drive forward. We deliver package. We turn right again, deliver package. So drive forward, deliver package, turn right, drive forward, deliver package. Awesome. Then we turn, after delivering the package, turn right again. And then drive forward again. So we turn drive forward and we turn right. So we'll be here, and this we repeat 4 times. So we drive forward, deliver package, turn right, drive forward, deliver package, turn right, drive forward, turn so when we are here, you have to turn left, not right. So let's fix that. And then we come back, we will drive forward, deliver package, turn right, drive forward, deliver package, turn right, drive forward, turn left.
Nailed it, every single one.
Awesome. This was a little complicated.
Almost done. Let's quickly check your understanding.
So here we have this pattern. We have to drive forward, move forward, then we have to collect the gem. Then we have to turn left, move forward again. Then we have to turn left, move forward. So move forward, then collect gem, turn left, move forward, turn left, move forward, like that. And then we will be moving, we have to turn here, move forward, collect gem, turn left, move forward, turn left, move forward, will not go. We need one more. So here we could, instead of turning left and trying to go from here, we will say collect gem, move forward. So we go further, move forward, collect gem. After collect gem, we have to turn left, move forward again, turn left, move forward, collect gem, then turn left, move forward, turn right here. So this seems little tricky while gem remains. So it should be like move forward, turn, collect gem, turn left, move forward. Here turn left again and move forward. If we keep repeating this, this will work. And we missed. So let me fix this. I have to no gem pickup. So how do I correct this?
Let's see what your mistakes reveal. All right, let's see where things went sideways.
So let me see. We will check again. So there was a way to fix that.
Not exactly.
Try again. So now when I say try again, move forward, is fine. Collect gem, turn left, move forward, turn left, move forward. Move forward, collect gem, turn left, move forward, turn left. Turn around.
You got it.
So this is how it should work. It was a little tricky, but then we cracked it. So let's do the level review. This is the first level complete. So here, turn left first, move forward, move forward. So we just have to make the robot reach the gem. Perfect. So we have to make it reach the gem. So move forward, and make it turn left. Move forward, collect gem. Then we have to say turn forward, collect gem, turn right, move forward, finally collect gem. So move forward, one move forward, collect gem, move forward. Move forward, collect gem, move forward. Forward, move forward, collect gem. Move forward, turn left, collect gem, move forward. Move forward, turn left. Turn left, move forward and collect gem. Three names, move forward, collect gem. Move forward, collect gem. Turn right. Move forward, collect gem, move forward, collect gem, turn right. One, two. Move forward. Turn right. Move forward. Collect gem. This is move forward, turn left, move forward, collect gem, turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward, collect gem, turn right. So next is about recognizing patterns. This is loop. Level 2, this is loops.
You've been using while loops to repeat commands. Now you'll see what happens when some commands need to go outside the loop. Add a command after the loop to complete the delivery.
Street open ahead till end and deliver package.
Good. Now the empty slots are before the loop. Add commands before it to complete this delivery.
Just move forward and then turn left.
Yep. All right, 2 deliveries this time. You have slots before, inside, and after the loop. Perfect. Okay, last problem. 5 deliveries and 2 while loops to work with. Clean sweep, not one wrong answer. Programs often need to repeat some commands, but not others. So it comes in handy to know when and where to use a loop. Any questions before we wrap up?
No, that's all clear.
Last step, let's check your understanding.
So that's all. Perfect. So we'll do the remaining exercise in the next session. See you till the next time. Hope you enjoyed this session. And while we were playing, you learned as well. Thank you.